We're seeing her eyes for the first time. Oh, bless you. Oh. Bless you. Oh. Oh, wait a minute. From the grandma. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Yeah.
Recognizing that Eli was outside the pocket, scramble rules then apply. And the guy on the outside takes it up the sideline, which is what Burris does. But he throws.